Hello students, welcome to lecture 4 of polynomials. In last lecture, we had learned about the general formula of polynomials, leading term and degree of polynomials. Today, before starting with the new topic, we will first practice the degree of polynomials. Okay, now find the degree of the given polynomials. Let me give an example of 5x plus 7. Here the exponent of x is raised to the power 1. Hence the degree of the polynomial is 1. Suppose we take 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Then the exponent, which is the highest exponent, that is the highest power, that is 2, because this is 1. And this 2, this we also can write it as 2 into x raised to 0, correct? So 2, 1, 0. The highest power is 2. So we will say that the degree of the polynomial is 2 because the highest exponent is 2, correct? Now we will take one more example of the same, that is 4 upon 3 x raised to 7 minus 3x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to square minus 1. This kind of polynomial also the same thing. The highest power is 7, then it is in the decreasing order. So we will take that the degree of the polynomial is 7 as the highest exponent is 7. Okay? We have to find out degree like this. Secondly, before that, let us take one more example, that is t minus 7t square plus 5 minus t raised to 3. Now these are not arranged properly in the standard form, but still we know the degree, correct? Here it is 2 and here it is 3. This 5 will be having t raised to 0, correct? And here it is 1. So the highest power is 3, that is the highest power, or you can say exponent, is 3. Therefore it is of degree 3, or the polynomial is of degree 3. Similarly, they can ask us that write the coefficient of x square. Next form of the question can come like this, that write the coefficient of x square in the following polynomials. Okay, let us say 4 plus 2x square plus 3x. Here the highest exponent is 2, so we can say degree of the polynomial is 2 and the coefficient is 2 because this is the coefficient of x square. Second example, if I take 6 minus 2x square plus 3x cube plus x raised to the power 4. Over here highest exponent is 4. We can say it is the polynomial of degree 4. But the coefficient of x square they have asked. Again here the coefficient is 2. Okay. The same way you have to find out the coefficient of x square and this degree of the polynomials. Now we will understand about the standard form of the polynomials. Now we will go ahead with the standard form of the polynomial. Let us say standard form of a polynomial. Okay, see a polynomial, how it is written, that is shown over here. How to write a polynomial? We know its general formula, even when it is in the algebraic expression of the form so and so. But how to write it? That is shown in the standard form. So we can write that a polynomial written either in the descending powers in x, that is the variable, any variable, not only x, any variable given y, u, t, any, or ascending powers of the given variable is called the standard form. Okay, that means a polynomial should be written in ascending or descending order of the powers. Okay, the power should be written like that. Now let us say first one. I can give you an example. X cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here the exponents are 3, 2, 1 and 0. Why? Here we can say because 1 into x raised to 0. Okay. So it is from increasing to the decreasing order. Yes. This is nothing from increasing to biggest to the smallest order. So we can say it is in the descending order. So this is the standard form. Same way, a polynomial can also be written like this: 1 plus 2x minus 3x square plus x cube. Now here see 1. 1 is given, but we can say 1 into x raised to 0 plus 2x raised to 1 minus 3x square plus x cube. That means the powers or the exponents are in the order 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we can say this is from smallest to biggest, so it is in the ascending order. Correct? This is in the ascending order. Now if I give you one more example, that 2x square plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 4 plus 6x plus 1. Now see, the powers are 2, 3, 4 and so on. Why? Neither they are in descending order nor in ascending order. Can we say like that? Yes, because first is 2. So 2, 3, 4, 1 and x raised to 0. So the powers are in which form? First is 2, then 3, then 4, then 1. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Then here it should be 4. So they are not in ascending or in descending form. The polynomial, okay, we can write in the above polynomial. Here you write like this. Here the expression, in the expression the powers are neither in descending form or ascending form. So we have to rearrange the terms. So we have to rearrange the terms. Now let us rearrange the term. That is, first we will write x raised to 4, then we will write plus x cube, then plus 2x square plus 6x, but will plus 1 come here? Will 1? No, because x is raised to 0. So again this is not the right way. The right way will be 1. Then you have to write plus 6x then plus 2x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I said no. Am I right? No, I am also wrong. because this is also correct. How? See, now you compare both of them, so you will come to know. This is 1 into x raised to 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means both are correct. Got it? This is from biggest to smallest, smallest to biggest. So, this polynomial is now in its standard form. Biggest to smallest means what? What is the meaning of biggest to smallest? It is in the descending order and this is in the ascending order. Okay. So don't get confused. If at last you write 1, it is also right. But the powers of the variable should be in the decreasing order. If in last you have x raised to 0 or y raised to 0, whichever variable is given. And here this way. Okay. Now we will learn about different type of polynomials. Today I will start with the constant polynomial, but before that we will write the definition of degree of a polynomial, and then we will learn about the constant polynomial. In the next lecture we will go ahead. Now see, the degree of a polynomial. You know that the highest power of a polynomial, simplest language is highest power of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay, this is the degree of the polynomial. Now we will learn about the constant polynomial. See, constant polynomial is always a monomial. It is only a one term. Okay, constant polynomial is nothing but a term that is a which is having a variable of exponent 0. Okay, suppose I give you f of x is equal to 7, then I can write it f of x is equal to 7 into x raised to 0. This is the variable which is having the power 0. So this is called the constant polynomial. So we can write that a polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Okay, we can write like this. Say f of x is equal to 1. Then we can write like this also, 1 into x raised to 0. Means it is degree 0. No other terms are there. And also that a constant polynomial is always a monomial. See, sometimes they can ask you in MCQs. These small things can be asked in MCQs, so please refer to the theory part, and that is why I am writing it. Write it along with me. Also subscribe and share this channel of ours. Also share it with other students who are in necessary, okay, who need the subject to understand. Please share them and write this whole lecture again, because this can be a theory part. They can ask anything in MCQ also. I end my lecture over here. In next lecture we will meet with types of polynomials. Thank you very much, and do like, share and subscribe our channel.